it is at Upper Kharghar. Ground floor for commercial and parking use. And upcoming projects like flat with 4 variants. So now we are at this is the common room here, the master bedroom here. On my right hand side we have space for the cabinet. Hello guys, this is your host Giselle from MAHARERA Properties. Talking about the location, it is located at NH48 Old Mumbai Pune Highway and it is at Upper Kharghar. Talking about the property, it is a G plus 15 storage building with ground floor for commercial and parking use. Talking about the amenities, we have amenities on the top floor like open gazebo and outdoor swimming pool and outdoor gym, kids play area and many more. Let's talk about the connectivity. So we have Amandud metro station about 10 minutes away from the property, Harmony School and NMIMS College about 15 to 20 minutes away from the property. Then we have Satya Sai Sanjeevani Hospital and Tata Hospital about 15 to 25 minutes away from the property, and upcoming projects like new Navi Mumbai International Airport and BKC2 about 30 to 35 minutes away from the property. Moving towards our sample flat now. Moving on to our sample flat, it is a 2 BHK sample flat with 4 variants. So now we are at the living area. You can see this is the living room. There's space for the couch and this is going to be your living room. Now let's move towards the kitchen area. It is an open kitchen. You can see it is a modular kitchen. There is enough space for the cabinets, a refrigerator, and this is how you are going to get your kitchen. Let's have a look at the kitchen. Moving towards the common room. This is the common room. Here you can see this is your common room. There is space for the cabinets on my left hand side. Now let's move towards the common room's washroom. This is going to be the common room's washroom. You can see everything is fitted by a Jaguar company. This is our master bedroom. Here on my right hand side we have space for the cabinets. This is the master bedroom with an amazing view, and this is going to be your master bedroom's washroom. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked our video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and for any queries please drop down your comments and our team will get back to you. Thank you.